Seems like these days everybody wants to whiten their teeth, and the man that can tell us a little bit more about it is Dr. Bruce Goeringer from Goeringer Family Dentistry in Dallas. Dr. Goeringer, good to see you again.
Good to see you, Dave.
So tooth whitening, everybody's interested in it, almost to the point where it's compulsive in some cases today.
Well, it's almost gotten to the point where it's crazy. People just can't get their teeth white enough. And I mean, certainly bleaching your teeth makes you look much better, but there is a point where you go beyond making them look good. They just look artificially white, and it's almost reached a point where there are a lot of people that want to make their teeth artificially white. You, for instance, yeah, you're wearing a nice white shirt there. Your teeth are beautiful, but you wouldn't want those teeth to be as white as your shirt because they just wouldn't look natural.
Yeah, I think it gets to a point where it's a little much, and I guess that brings up another question: safety. Now, you say this is generally a safe process, but in some cases, patients may be sensitive.
Some people are more sensitive than others. Generally, if you use a bleach that your dentist prescribes, or even the over-the-counter bleaches, you're not going to have a problem. But certainly, if you do have a problem with sensitivity, you go to your dentist or stop using the bleach immediately and get some input from your dentist to make sure that you're not damaging your teeth in any way.
Now, we've heard of the brush-on bleaches. I know that you and I were talking, and you say they may not be as effective as some other options.
Well, the brush-on bleaches I'm a little bit leery of. Honestly, I'm not as familiar with those as I've just heard advertisements, and some of these advertisements actually make the claim that they can whiten your teeth several shades in 5 minutes. That, to me, it's hard for me to believe that. They may be putting a coating on your teeth, something like that wears off, and a lot of times these types of bleaches they'll want you to use over and over again and never stop. Well, the bleach that you get at your pharmacy over the counter, or the bleach your dentist would prescribe for you, once the bleach is done, your teeth stay white. You don't have to continue to use it forever and ever.
And doctor, what is the longevity of a whitening? If you get a whitening, how long can you expect it to last? Does it vary based on the type that you have done?
Well, if you bleach your teeth, they'll always stay lighter than they would have been if you didn't bleach them. They'll darken over time. Everybody's teeth darken over time, but they'll always be lighter than they would have been if you didn't bleach them. And generally speaking, a bleach treatment is good for a year or two or more, depending on the pigment in your teeth. Some people have more pigment in their teeth than others, and the length of time that the bleach would work is different from one person to the next.
All right, for our viewers that are interested in having their teeth whitened, Dr. Goeringer, how can they get in touch with you?
Well, they can call me on my phone. It's 570-675-3646, and just talk to the receptionist, Lynette, and she'll get them scheduled. Or they can go on the internet. drgoeringer.com is my website, and they can get the information there.
All right, Dr. Bruce Goeringer from the Goeringer Family Dentistry in Dallas. As always, thanks for the great information.
Thank you, Dave.